the ultimate travel lens, the only lens that will be carried in your bag. This one will be the recommendation. So this is the 24-70 2.8. So that the aperture 2.8 is good enough for low light and fast enough for low light, especially with the cameras nowadays. This is the 24-70 2.8 version 2. I have the first version, that was my first L lens. This one is different characteristics. So as you can see, I already installed another UV filter for this one. The filter is much bigger, so this now 83 mm in the front. And when you zoom in, the lens extend for maybe 2 inch. So when you retract, lens, yep. And also, even though this front element is exposed, this one has a weather seal, so you don't need to care if this lens gets soaked wet in the water, in the rain. Just don't drop it in the lake or sea. So at the back portion, there's a rubber ring that will be protect. If you're mounting this in the DSLR, then moisture and water cannot get inside because of this rubber that is installed in the lens mount. Okay, and also this is another red ring. You can use it for landscape, portrait, and travel because of the 24-70 wide enough and it has a good zoom range for a portrait. That's why this one is one of my favorite. It will be the lens if you want only need one lens in a travel and it's light. Paired this, yep, it is good enough. But for DSLR lens, it's very big, guys. Yep. And also when it comes to RF, much bigger lens. Okay, that's why, yeah, these lenses are huge and DSLR. So here are my sample shots using this lens for landscape and portrait.